Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashwani Kumar. I am a practicing plastic surgeon at Bliniq Cosmetic Surgery Center, Dhara, Delhi. Today we will be discussing gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is development of female-like breast tissue in a male chest. The patients presenting to us in our OPD complain of low self-confidence, not able to wear tight t-shirts, not being comfortable with their partners. They cannot remove clothes in public places. Now, how do we make a diagnosis of gynecomastia? You need to visit us at our clinic where you will undergo a clinical examination and a diagnosis of gynecomastia will be made. Now, let's discuss what are the causes of gynecomastia. Gynecomastia can be present physiologically at the age of infancy, in adolescence and in old age. The adolescent gynecomastia is the most common cause of gynecomastia, in which hormone imbalance occurs when you are at the age of 13 to 16 years. The female hormone called as estrogen increases in quantity compared to the male hormone, which is called as testosterone. And the body gets confused in this phase and starts developing breast tissue inside the male chest. Now, this happens for a temporary period, and as soon as the levels normalize, the tissue tends to regress on its own. By the age of 18 years, in majority of the patients, the tissue has already gone down. But in a few patients in which the tissue has not resolved on its own, they have to undergo a simple procedure called as liposuction with gland removal. Other causes of gynecomastia development which we are seeing nowadays is injection of supplemental steroids done by athletes, young boys going to gym. They tend to take a lot of steroids to build up the body, which leads to gland formation under the nipple area. Other causes of gynecomastia development can be liver disorders, kidney disorders, testicular disorders like testicular cancer, other drugs like furosemide, ketoconazole use, protease inhibitors which are taken for HIV treatment can also cause development of gynecomastia. Now let's discuss the grades of gynecomastia. Gynecomastia has 4 grades. Grade 1 is presence of puffy nipple. Grade 2 is presence of puffy nipple surrounded by a lot of fat. Grade 3 is presence of puffy nipple with fat and with sagginess of the skin. Grade 4 is fully developed female-like breasts. Now the treatment for the gynecomastia is to undergo a simple procedure called as liposuction with gland removal. The procedure is done under local anesthesia with IV sedation. The procedure is performed through a very tiny cut inside the dark area around the nipple. The procedure consists of 3 simple steps. In the first step, we inject a tumescent fluid inside the chest area, which makes the area completely numb and decreases the blood supply of that area for a temporary period of time. After that, liposuction is performed through the nipple only, and the fat which is present around the gland is sucked out. After that is finished, we take out the glandular tissue through the nipple only. After the procedure is finished, the stitches which are used are dissolvable in nature and they dissolve in 2 weeks' time. In the recovery period, post the procedure of 1 hour, you are kept under observation for 5 to 6 hours. After that, you go back home. You return back on the 3rd day for a dressing removal. After that, there is no dressing which is needed. You can keep the chest area open and take medications as advised. You can take a bath on the same day and join back office, college or your workplaces. Now on the 5th day, you can start resuming your driving. On the 10th day, you can start with your cardio exercises. On 21st day, you can start hitting the gym and start lifting heavy weights. You need to wear a compression garment, which is a tight vest, for 4 weeks after the procedure. Now, what is the cost of gynecomastia treatment? The cost of gynecomastia treatment depends on the surgeon's experience, the grade of your disease, the technology which is being used for liposuction, and whether the surgery is being performed at a hospital or at a clinic, and the type of anesthesia being used determines what the cost of your surgery is going to be. You can call us on 72-900-62111 to know your package. To know more about gynecomastia and other cosmetic procedures, subscribe and follow us on this channel.